A delay in removing asbestos from the villages has concerns with some of the members of the public worried that funding has ended, leaving the project incomplete. According to the infrastructure coordinator, William Peat, work is continuing. However, it is on hold as the Environment Department re-estimates the stockpile at Hui Hui and Cabinet to review the development. The asbestos left in the villages will be removed, although those still on some unoccupied houses will not be removed unless homeowners wish to re-roof, in which case the project can arrange for the safe removal of asbestos. Unfortunately, says Mr. Peat, government doesn't have the funding to assist re-roofing houses, unlike the project a few years back. But the opportunity to remove asbestos already on the ground is what the project is concentrating on at present. Mr. Peat also said the expected date for the removal of asbestos on the island could be as early as the boat on the 20th of August. However, the containers will be in different shipments. The other project seen in the last couple of days is the removal of the shelters at the airport, and according to Mr. Peat, the development at the airport is for a new drop-off lane, but shelters will be reinstated. Another development is the shop area that is completed and awaiting the announcement of the new proprietors.